This is Kia Sonet base model. We are going to completely convert it to GT line edition. So we are going to change this normal grill to GT grill, and here we are going to change the under ABS kit. We are going to install the ice cube fog lamps, and we are going to install the media control button and cruise controls and Android audio and 4-door component and coaxial speakers and amp, subwoofer and seat covers, full mats, noodles mat. So everything we are going to completely convert it to GT line edition. It's a pure base model. This is Kia HTE base model completely converted to GT line conversion. So we completely converted total whole car. So the front one tiger nose grill we installed with the GT line badge, and here the Kia original logo we given colorings to Korean flag, and it's a reflector one. And the below one we installed the ABS kit, GT line ABS kit, front and back we installed. And here there is no fog lamp will come, so we installed the ice cube fog lamps, and the bumper corner protectors also we installed, and the washroom, a night vision light we installed, and the side one we installed in the black panel 3M original reflectors line, and the above one we installed the roof rails and sun visors also, and we replaced the original antenna to shark fin antenna. It's a GT black color, and the back side we installed the GT line ABS kit, and here also given colorings, and the black combo kit also we installed the back side. And the back one we installed the reflectors for highway night drive, and the bumper corners protectors also we installed. Here we installed in this car DD audio, Redline series component and coaxial kits, and there is no any center lock in this car, so we installed the torque center lock, and with the foldable remote we given, and the washroom, night vision eye we installed, and the subwoofer, under seat subwoofer we installed with the remote, and the punk 10-inch Android audio we installed, and the 4-channel amp Avatar made in Russia, one of the high quality amp we installed in this car. And this car is fully damped by vibro filter made in Russia. This is completely damped, 4 doors plus dicky we installed, and here below one we installed the DD Redline series, and this is the DD components. The front pillars we installed the tutors, and so here we completely replaced the original complete dashboard panel to GT line panel. So this is the full panel completely we replaced. This is the original GT glossy black panel we installed in the complete this dashboard we completely replaced, and we installed the 10-inch Android audio. This is one of the biggest size, and this is the 10-inch we installed, and the reverse camera for night vision HD we installed, and this is the fully Android as usual. So you will get all the apps, maps, videos and YouTube, Spotify, MX Player, one of the high quality brand, Punk brand we installed. And this is the 2GB RAM, 16GB inbuilt memory. And here we installed, we completely replaced the there is no any steering buttons will come here in this car because this is the base model. So we installed the audio media control kit is here, and here we installed the complete cruise control. So here everything will work, cruise and as well as media control. There is no any wire cutting, without warranty void. We did the just plug and play concept. So everything will work fine. It can change also.
கரெக்டான முறையில செயல்படும் அப்படின்னு சொல்லி இவைகளை திருச்செங்கோடு பகுதியில இருந்து அனுப்பிச்சிருக்காங்க. கூடவே இன்னொன்னு வந்து சொல்லியிருக்காங்க என்ன அப்படின்னா மூளை வளர்ச்சிக்கும் ஞாபக சக்திக்கும் பெரிதும் பயனளிக்கிறது வந்து
ரத்த
ஓட்டத்தையும் வந்து சீராக்குது. நிலக்கடலையை வந்து 30 கிராம் அளவுக்கு டெய்லி.
And here we install the sunglass holder, original sunglass holder. Can place the sunglass as well as, so here it's a LED central console lights also we install. We directly linked it to the door, so when you open the door it will blink, and when you close the door it will automatically switch off. So, and as usual we install the multicolor noodles mat with red and black concept, and seat covers also one of the high fine. It's a black and a red wine we mixed based to car color, so it is one of the cooling and very comfort seats we installed. And now let me see the cruise how it will work in this car. So when after 30 kilometers of car, so when you press the down button the cruise all activated. Let me show you now again. Now cruise activated 33 kilometers. Now I press the down button, the speed will reduce up to 26 and the speed 28, 29, 30. Now I press the brake, the cruise will cancel.